actually in Johannesburg. I literally just got back into the country 1 day ago, and I'm here at Joburg market. You see behind me. This is probably one of the largest. Probably maybe Cape Town will be a larger or similar sized market. So we're trying to expand, and yeah, so I'm just basically straight in, back from England, and trying to set up with some agencies here so we can start supplying them. So I'll show you a bit of the market. It's very busy today. I've been trying to find out some boxes and packaging. There's lots of details and also logistics. So we're hopefully going to be getting into some big trucks over there. So basically it's a bit of a recon, getting all sorts of information, trying to sort deals out, setting up accounts. But yeah, it's exciting times, guys. This season is going to be very different. It's going to be a lot bigger. We've got a lot more produce, so it's going to be really exciting to show you. And yeah, so I'm going to show you the process, show you the market now, and then I'll show you when I get back onto the farm. Hey guys, so I am my first day back on the farm with my brother T. Say hello, T.
Hello.
Hey, he's been hard at work here. I'm going to show you now what he's been hard at work producing, building, because it's, as I said to you guys when I was in Joburg, it's going to be pretty huge for us. Anyway, it's going to be pretty huge for us, what we're going to be getting into this year, the quantity, the mass. But yeah, I'll give you a bit of an update now, guys, on what we are, on the state of everything that's kind of now, it's basically spring. So yeah, I'll show you all, give you a rundown of everything that's going on. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the leek area. As you can see, a lot of them are flowering, going to seed. So yeah, we are going to try and pull them all at once. I'm not sure when we're going to be able to do that, but they're pretty in good condition. This is the first time they've really been looked at because we've been focusing on other things, but they're good. They're pretty much in good condition still, and hopefully they're still sellable. And hopefully, yeah, this will be one of the things that we could possibly send to market. But as you can see, I like to do we have to do research on whether or not the flowering changes the taste. Do you think? But we'll try. We'll taste one ourselves and see if it's sellable.
Yeah.
But the flowers are quite beautiful, aren't they?
It's weird.
It's weirdly beautiful. They look like a certain, I can't remember the name of it, but a certain flower that's like a or something. You know what I mean? There's flowers that have big bushy heads.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All the seeds are inside here.
Yeah. We're going to have a load of leek seeds sprouting all over this place. It's kind of why you don't really want to let things go seed as well, because it's basically seeds. We'll see though. So yeah guys, if you take a look, I'll go into more detail later about what we're planting in each section, but this is probably the most we've ever prepared land at. So we've got from here all the way up, and from here we're going to be planting.
This is the Cape gooseberry section that we have going on.
So how old are they?
These plants here are around, were planted, well, they were transplanted at the end of May, so around the 28th May.
Okay.
They were transplanted. Now they're basically into May, August. So probably about 5 months old now.
Mm-hmm.
But they were basically overwintered at the same time.
Yeah. And this year, guys, we're doing drip. So I don't know if you can see the line. We've got the drip irrigation going, and we're actually, yeah, like in terms of what did you find out about the drip that we could do?
With the drip, we can run it for free.
Yeah.
No payment, bro.
Run it based off gravity alone.
Based on gravity.
So this entire field will be able to be watered on gravity, guys, and that is a huge coup for us.
No more paying for pumps, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this thing
And this is the grass that if you remember, guys, there was grass all here, and so we've used that as basic mulching. Some of it's blown away, but to be honest with you, it doesn't look so bad to be honest.
Yeah.
Like, that's a pretty healthy mulch, really.
I mean, it's
considering.
Done quite well. It's definitely done quite well. You definitely see in the areas where there is grass, there's not much growing in it.
So how big is this space?
This space from here to the end is just over half a hectare.
Half a hectare, okay. And how many gooseberries do you think we'll get in it?
We should fit 1,800.
Okay, the plant, yeah.
Right now we've got about 1,500. Definitely use plant cuttings.
Yeah, because Tubbs was very successful in propagating from cuttings, and he had literally what was it? 3, 4, and 6. Yeah.
So now we're looking
amazing. We're producing fruit in the bags of a cutting, guys. Okay, guys. So on this section, what we've done is actually plant a smaller seedling, because these were quite big when they were planted out, but these were smaller seedlings when they were planted. So as you can see, they look a lot different. As I said, we're quite new to Cape gooseberry growing, so we're watching every kind of thing that they do, and the different ways, the different effects of different types of planting and everything like that.
Yeah, so with these ones, they seem to be a miniature variety. I'm not 100% sure if they are or not, but they're not growing as vigorously as the original ones we had. So they all seem to be the same kind of size.
Yeah, they definitely are they're very uniform. So I feel like whatever's happening is definitely happening across the board, whether it's meant to happen or not.
So I'm not 100% sure about this section. We just have to explore and
see what happens there. But some of the bushy, they look like they're doing something.
They're pushing out, so
maybe it's a different cultivar. But
could be. I mean, this is quite big.
Yeah.
And you can see they're making tiny fruit.
Okay.
We just have to wait and see, maybe. Maybe they just grow differently.
Maybe it's a different variety, dude. Maybe we've stumbled across, because if they're growing fruit at this stage. Anyway, guys, so as you can see, like, we've got a huge section of the gooseberries, and yeah, so this is when I talk to you about going big, this is what I'm talking about. We are very much, we're defining ourselves as farmers in a sense of really like leaning into products that work well in our area, and we've been trying to fight kind of against the curve for a long time, but we're trying to now lean into what is really working for us, and gooseberries really work for us, and we can overwinter them, and hopefully, guys, this entire place will be running with gooseberries for the next 8 years. So yeah, guys, this is the gooseberry section, so I'll keep you updated on that. 2 weeks, okay. And so did they suffer any transfer problems?
Not many, I would say. Definitely not many. Maybe one or two. You see some leaf drops and
but kind of like
twisted up a bit, but they're still quite green.
they look good. Okay guys, so now we are in the Serrano area. So yeah guys, another thing we're leaning into, because our area really is good for this type of produce, is chilies. So obviously, you know, we've been growing peppers and chilies for a while, but now we're really leaning into it, and we've got, so this is another half a hectare, yeah? Another,
From here,
yeah.
from there to there is about 0.8 of a hectare,
Point eight.
nearly a full hectare.
Okay. So, as you, guys, you know, for us, this is a huge kind of thing, because we have never attempted to have this much of our land worked at one time. And so to have nearly a hectare completely, this place is going to have, what's it going to have in it, T? It's going to have chilies.
We're going to have the sweet peppers,
Mm-hmm.
the long yellows, long reds,
Mm-hmm.
jalapenos, serranos, habaneros, and paprika.
Yeah. So yeah, we're definitely leaning into what we know, what we've learned how to do. And you know, from experience and traveling, even going to the market, guys, I definitely saw that the kind of quality that we're producing here is to a standard which is kind of reassuring as new farmers to know that we are competing with long-term players. The one line of jalapenos, so this is going to be jalapenos, this whole section.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jalapenos. I don't know if we're going to have enough sweet peppers to fill the section.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do as well in that section, guys. Sweet peppers.
Yeah, sweet peppers going to be here. And we've got the old habaneros.
Okay. And these are the old sweet peppers. So these what we actually did, guys, because we were able to overwinter in the net house. We Tubbs had the good idea to save the plants and put them outside, and let's see how they work. I mean, what we did learn with the greenhouse was that we could up our fertilizing the soil, and perhaps that was a big part of what was happening that was kind of wrong with how we cared for the plants. But also, like, the heat was an issue which we can't really control, and we're going to watch this year, which hopefully shouldn't be as hot, but we're going to watch this year and see if we get the same kind of problems. But there's actually loads of flowers on them.
Yeah.
There's loads. They're already flowering so much.
Yeah. Basically, I shake the flowers.
Yeah.
There's some, I could see that in certain areas, especially between the sprinklers.
Yeah.
Starting to dry out.
Okay.
But the thing is that what is strange, like when you dig, you'll find that it is wet.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, so we're going to watch them closely. We're going to be putting a lot more sweet peppers outside as well, so we're going to see how they fare outside. We're not putting as much effort into them, I guess we could say, as with everything else, just because we kind of think that this type of pepper isn't suited for our area. But we'll test it and see. We're going to try a cultivar that works well in the sun. We're going to see. So yeah, guys, I'll keep you updated on that.